I couldn't watch a 10-minute YouTube video without checking my phone. I'd read the same paragraph 5 times and still have no idea what it said. My brain was absolutely cooked, and I knew if I didn't fix it, I was going to fail everything. So I gave myself 14 days to completely reset my attention span. Here's what happened. Look, if you feel like your brain is fried, you're not alone. We've all been scrolling TikTok for 3 hours, thinking it's been 20 minutes. We've all opened Instagram just to check one thing and lost an entire study session. Our attention spans are destroyed. And it's not your fault. But here's the good news: you can actually fix it. And it doesn't take months. It takes 2 weeks. Let me show you exactly what I did. So here's where I was at before I started. I couldn't focus on anything for longer than like 2 minutes. Studying felt impossible. My mind would wander every 30 seconds. I'd sit down to work and immediately feel this pull to check my phone. Even when I wasn't on my phone, I was thinking about my phone. It was like my brain was addicted to distraction. And the worst part, I felt guilty about it, like I was lazy, like I just wasn't disciplined enough. But that's not what this is. This is your brain being hijacked by apps designed to steal your attention, and you have to actively take it back. So here's what I did. Days 1, 2, 3. The digital detox: I deleted TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter off my phone. Not logged out. Deleted. And I turned my phone to grayscale mode. Everything black and white. This sounds extreme, but hear me out. The first day was awful. I kept reaching for my phone out of habit. I'd unlock it, see the grayscale, remember I deleted everything, and feel this weird emptiness. That's when I realized how bad it actually was. But by day 3, something shifted. I wasn't reaching for my phone every 5 seconds anymore. My brain started to calm down, and for the first time in forever, I could sit with my thoughts without needing a distraction. Days 4 to 7. The 5-minute rule. Now that my brain wasn't constantly being hijacked, I needed to rebuild my focus muscle. So I used the 5-minute rule. Every time I sat down to study, I'd set a timer for just 5 minutes. That's it, just 5 minutes of pure focus. No phone, no music, nothing. And here's the key: I told myself I could quit after 5 minutes if I wanted to. But something weird happened. Once I hit 5 minutes, I didn't want to stop. My brain was already locked in, so I'd keep going. By day 7, I was doing 20-minute focus sessions without even trying. My attention span was literally rebuilding itself. Days 8 to 14. Protect your morning. The final piece was protecting my mornings. I'm a ja rule: no phone for the first hour after waking up. Instead, I'd do something slow. Read a book, journal, sit outside. Anything that didn't involve scrolling. And this was a game changer. Because when you start your day with TikTok or Instagram, you're setting your brain to distraction mode for the entire day. But when you start slow, your brain stays calm. By day 14, I could focus for hours without feeling that pull to check my phone. I was reading without rereading the same sentence. I was studying without getting distracted every 2 minutes. My brain felt like it was mine again. So what actually changed? My grades improved. My stress went down. But more than that, felt present again. Like I wasn't constantly running from my own thoughts. I could sit in silence without feeling anxious. I could focus on one thing at a time. And honestly, that feeling is priceless. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one thing from this video. Just one. Delete one app for 14 days. Turn your phone grayscale. Try the 5-minute focus rule. Protect your mornings. Whatever feels doable, start there. You don't have to do everything at once, but you do have to start. Because your attention span isn't broken forever. You just need to give your brain a chance to reset. Your brain is powerful, but it needs protecting. So let's take it back. Together, try this for 14 days and let me know what happens. I'll see you in the next one. Now go reclaim your focus. Peace.